Dukhu spoken English Language 6, Level 2, Day 6, Topics: Telephone problems, giving negative information, leaving or taking a message. Telephone problems. The line is very bad. Could you speak up, please? Could you repeat that, please? I'm afraid I can't hear you. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again, please? Giving negative information. I'm afraid the line's engaged. Could you call back later? I'm afraid he is in a meeting at the moment. I'm sorry, he's out of the office today. He isn't in at the moment. I'm afraid we don't have a Mr. or Mrs. or Miss here. অর্থাৎ শূন্যস্থানে এখানে আমি যা কথা বলছি তার নামটি বসাবো। I'm sorry, there is nobody here by that name. Sorry, I think you have dialed the wrong number. Or, I'm afraid you have got the wrong number. Leaving or taking a message. Can I have or take a message? Would you like to leave a message? Could you give him or her a message? Could you ask him or her to call me back? Could you tell him or her that I called? Could you give me your name, please? Could you spell that, please? What's your number, please? Thank you so much for joining today's class. Hope to see you next. Have a good time. Good luck.